Hi everybody, this is Arun Bose. I am the director of Malayalam film Luka that got released in 2019. How do we pick an idea? How do we develop into a story? How do we convert into a proper screenplay? For the journey of Luka, it took a lot of time for me, and there are many drafts. So why should we study cinema as an academic subject? What's the socio-political significance of cinema? Let's look into the history of cinema. How do we pick a proper idea for film? How do we convert this idea into a story? How do we mold this into a workable screenplay for film? Let's talk about it. I am here at LV Prasad Film Institute. All of you know the contribution of the institution Prasad, LV Prasad, to Indian cinema. All of you have seen the title card Prasad Lab for decades. So I'm conducting a day workshop here at LV Prasad, and welcome to all of you.